Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can start an LLC in Arizona. So let's start. Now the first thing that you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get on this site called LegalZoom. LegalZoom is an amazing company which can outsource for you the creation of LLC that you don't need to actually do it by yourself. So what you want to do is just simply click here on LLC, and the first thing that you need to do is just add a name here. I'm going to add a Stones company, but you can add like whatever you want. Check availability. Then you just add here your Arizona state and just click search. Now it will search if your name is available. Like if I would write there Nike, I don't think that it's going to be available. Enter the email address here, then you just add email. And this is really important, guys, to let someone else to do it for you. I see many people who are starting a business, they trying to do everything, but then they're not actually focusing on a business. So what I recommend, go directly on a business, do accounting, for creating LLC to LegalZoom or whatever else company, and just you focus on sales and bringing the revenue. That's what I recommend for you to do. Now just click here, get my LLC. Now, when do you want to launch your LLC? Let's go soon. Okay, continue, you don't need to read that. Is Stones company your first LLC? Yes, it is. Or if it's not, just press no. What will Stones company do? Now you just add here your category. Like, okay, let's say that I'm going to be in e-commerce. So e-commerce, continue. And will Stones company have employees in first year? So we just switch between no and yes. No. Essential services for Stones company. So the first thing, by law, you will require a registered agent, and you will also require specific paperwork and legal documentation. So see essential services. Relax with our registered agent service. Now, what I recommend, you can also appoint a different registered agent, but what I recommend is just go with the LegalZoom and it's going to be all right. Now, you have three options here. This is the first thing, essentials. So you get the operating agreement. An operating agreement is essential, is the constitution for your business. You need to have it. That's like $100. Or you can choose between operating agreement plus EIN, or you can go with the operating agreement, EIN, and licenses. So I would recommend going with the complete coverage. So if you're starting a restaurant or whatever, you're just gonna have like everything solved for you and not going to have any problems at all. Or you can go like operating agreement plus EIN here. EIN is required, without you can file taxes or open a bank account. Again, you can switch between these. It depends what you want. I will go with the complete coverage right now. So when you're going to click on it, there are business services for Stones company the LegalZoom offers. So the first thing they offer is Legal Protect. Legal Protect is, let's say that you want to have 30-minute consultation with an independent attorney for any new employment or legal issue, or you can have unlimited 30-minute consultations for legal advice on any new issue, plus access to our legal forms library, all included. For $40 a month, you're good to go and you're all right. Now, you can take the trial, you don't actually need to. So let's just click here, no thanks. Then you're gonna see total compliance. I would definitely go with the total compliance if I in a risky business or like a restaurant or something big. That's like $280 a year, and I think it's all right. So the one thing that I like about total compliance is that if they miss anything, they pay the fine or penalty. So you're covered, and they will cover the risk for you. So you can again take my include trial, or you don't need to. Let's click no thanks. Now when we got it, we're gonna see the package here. You have three options here. The first option is economy version, but you're gonna wait 30 days until the company is created. Then you're gonna see standard version, which is 15 days, or you can go with the express gold, which is 10 days only. But yes, the price is higher comparing to the economy. But what you can see here is that in a Express Gold, you're gonna have 7 days a week lifetime customer support. Get help when you need it. Again, you can choose it. That's really effective and good for you if you need it. So let's go click on Express Gold. Then you can like create a company of America, click no thanks. And right now what will happen is that you're gonna pay $633, and then they will create a company for you. What you can do is, let's say that you want to go with economy, and they will solve everything for you. Tax saving analysis, paperwork with Arizona, update order, and you're gonna see that it's going to cost you, how much is it? It's not going to $363, not that much even. So this is pretty much it, and this is how we can set up LLC in Arizona. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.